In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert MP4 to MP3. If you've ever had a video file and only needed the audio, this is a quick, reliable way to get it without installing any software. MP4 is a video format that can contain both video and sound, while MP3 is audio only. Converting lets you extract the sound from things like lectures, interviews, or background music so you can listen on the go or use it in an audio project. We'll use simple online tools that work in your browser. You can use Cloud Convert's MP4 to MP3 tool, Convertio, or online audio converter. They all follow the same basic flow, so choose whichever you prefer. The process is the same across them and takes just a few moments for most files. First, upload your MP4 file. On the converter page you choose, look for the button that allows you to add a file from your device. Click it, navigate to the MP4 you want to convert, and confirm. You'll usually see the file name appear in a list or a preview area. Larger files can take a bit to upload, so give it time and keep the tab open. A stable internet connection helps the upload finish smoothly. Next, choose the output format as MP3. These tools present a format menu or preset list. Select MP3 so the site knows you want audio only. You don't need to adjust anything else for a standard conversion. The default settings are fine for most uses, and sticking with them keeps the process fast and straightforward. Then click Convert. This starts the conversion on the server. You'll typically see a progress indicator as the site processes your file. Avoid refreshing or closing the tab while it's working. The time this takes depends on the length of your video and your connection, but short clips often finish in seconds. Finally, download the audio file. When the conversion completes, you'll see a download button for the MP3. Click it and choose where to save the file on your device. If you want to keep things organized, save it to a dedicated audio folder, and, if needed, adjust the file name so it's easy to recognize later. That's it. Upload your MP4, choose MP3, click Convert, and download the audio. Whether you use Cloud Convert, Convertio, or Online Audio Converter, the steps are identical and beginner-friendly. For best results, use a reliable connection. Keep your browser tab open during the process and only convert content you have the right to use. Enjoy your new MP3.